Here we have a 71 plate BMW X3 M Competition. Now this vehicle comes with the 21-inch alloy wheels. You'll also find the red brake calipers behind. We have the grey paintwork, has a really nice sparkle to it in the sunlight, LED headlights, gloss black front grills, and you will find the matching design splitter. We've got the kit all the way around, so as you come around to the passenger side, you'll also find the side skirts running along the bottom. We also have colour-coded door handles. We've got the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass at the rear. Up top we have the roof rails with the panoramic glass sunroof, currently open, can also get put onto a tilt with the shark fin antennae and the rear spoiler. Front rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera. Around to the back we have the power operated tailgate, X3 M badging on the right, quad tip exhaust which really do sound incredible, and again the Maxon rear diffuser. Back around to the driver's side and you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If you take a look at the interior, inside the back first you'll find leather seats. We do have foldable armrest just here. We also have the M Sport style seat belts, fixed ISO points, vents with the climate control for the rear passengers. Both the outer seats as well can also be heated back here. We also have on the doors carbon fibre trim, ambient lighting and electric windows. Same leather seats from the front. Let's look at the roof as well from inside. Both these front seats again can be heated. They're also electrically adjustable. Driver's seat having the memory function which is controlled just here. Premium Harman Kardon speakers, again carbon fibre trim, electric mirrors, electric windows, automatic lights down there. Taking the seat inside, you've got the multifunctional steering wheel, digital dashboard in front of us, free from any warning lights. We also have a heads-up display just above, again if the camera can pick up. If any lights or screens in this video are flickering, it's only the camera. So we do have the cruise control speedometer here on the left. We also have the paddle shifters, we've got the high beam assist on that stalk there, automatic wipers, phone connectivity, volume buttons, and the steering wheel can be heated with the button here in the centre. We also have the individual M mode buttons which you can set up on this screen just here, but again all the carbon fibre trim continuing throughout the interior. So we've got the main infotainment screen, it's currently showing the sat nav, plenty more features on here which you would have seen on the photos. You can go through them, it is touchscreen, but we can also use the buttons down here. So if we go on to media, you'll find radio stations and the other options on the left. Phone connectivity for phone calls. We have a range of apps including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Then onto the main menu, if we go up to car, we have the M menu, which is where you can set up the individual M mode buttons. You've got all these different options which you can go through, and it sets to these buttons here on the steering wheel. We also have the intelligent safety, which makes it a safe vehicle to drive. Got the dual zone climate control for the front, the ice cold air conditioning, heated seats as well either side. Down from there you've got the X3 M Competition badge. We also have underneath here some storage space with the cup holders, USB ports and a 12-volt connectivity. Automatic gearbox, which if we press this button here you can change the drive mode from road, sport, or if you hold it then it will change into the track mode just like so. Also changes the dashboard, as you can see on the heads-up display. It's changed design compared to the standard road. And then if you go into reverse camera appears on the screen. Back into park again by pressing P, electric handbrake down here, and the armrest as well. That's all I'm going to show you today. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and next to delivery is available. Thank you for watching.